let's count, let's sing. Come dance with me. Numbers are fun, 1 to 10. One bright star shining far, through a point up and twinkle. 2 butterflies flying high, hand to flap your arms. 3 big balls bounce and fall, bounce, 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 bounce. 4 cute puppies running happily, jog, run in place. 5 yellow ducks quack, 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 drum, waddle and clap. 6 bright balloons float to the moon, reach up high. 7 green frogs jump on logs, hit, jump, jump, jump. 8 pretty flowers bloom for hours in your open arms wide. 9 little birds sing sweet words, even wave and chirp. 10 shining stars seen from far, hit, spin slowly. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, turn around to the counting beat. Count with me, 1, 2, 3, dance and sing, come with me. 4, 5, 6, jump around. 7, 8, spin around. 9 and 10, shout hooray, counting fun.
Great job, little stars! Subscribe to TinyTunes for more fun learning songs. See you next time!